With JEE main around the corner, you must be wondering how to download the admit card. Don't worry, it's simple. Let us see how to go about it. This is how the page will look. There are two types of problems you can face while logging in. You can either forget your password or you can forget your application number. In case you forget your password, select the option I forgot my password. Now there are three ways that you can reset your password. You can set it either using the security question that you filled in your application form, or you can reset it using the verification code on your registered mobile number, or you can request a link on your registered email ID. In case you select the first option, you'll have to remember the security question that you entered while filling the application form. In case you select the second option, you will get an SMS on your registered mobile number and you can enter that code and reset your password. In case you select the third option, you have to click on the link sent to your registered email ID. Now what to do in case you forget your application number? It's simple. Just fill in your name, your mother's name, your father's name, your date of birth, state of eligibility and the security PIN. Once you enter all these details, you're good to go. So what all information do you need to download the admit card? You have to enter application number, password and the security code provided on the JEE website. Just enter these details and you can download the admit card.
In case they have made some mistakes while applying on the website, these mistakes should have been corrected by them, and in case they are unable to download the hall ticket, they have to put a mail to the secretary of JEE main, who can indirectly help them to download the hall ticket in the due course of time.
All okay? First save the admit card and then print it. Now verify all your details. Check your name, center number, center, father's name, complete mailing address, email address, mobile number, date, paper, timings, question paper, medium, date of birth, application number, state of eligibility, category, and finally your signature. Oops, something's not right. Don't worry.
You have to first check what kind of discrepancy comes in and then see, is it a photograph that is blurred, or maybe the signature is not very clear. Is there a discrepancy in the name of the candidate, or maybe there is a spelling mistake in the name of the parent or something. These are minor mistakes, but candidate should actually check for these things. And they should follow up with the authorities, because the admit card is after all an important document. You will have to mail JEE main, the CBSE people, at jemain@nic.in, giving your application number, the JEE main application number, and you also send them a copy of the admit card along with the copy of the acknowledgement. When you actually filled in the application form, you will have a printout that you will have to take, which is the acknowledgement form as we call it.
In the end, don't forget to take a color printout of the admit card and carefully read all the instructions. Be smart and study hard. Watch out for more on JEE preparation